So hello guys, this is Parth. You are watching Cyber Life. So in this video, I am going to tell how to set up your Kali Linux after installation. So watch this video till then. So let's get started.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So guys, this is Parth. In this video, I am going to tell the basics of Kali Linux and how to set up your Kali Linux after first installation. So let me teach you the basics of Kali Linux. So guys, here I have opened my Kali Linux and here you can see this is the desktop here. You can see a home, file system and trash. We can say this is a recycle bin as in Windows. So you can see a taskbar at the top. As in Windows we have this taskbar at bottom. And here you can see the time and here you can see connect to network, different network and VPN connections, volume, notifications, battery percentage, exit and lock your Kali Linux. So here on the left side we have a recorder. Record a video, take a screenshot of your screen. Here we have recorder and here we have terminal, powerful tool of Kali Linux, and here we have file manager. And there is the icon for desktop, as we have in Windows at the corner left, corner right, and here is a task menu. As in Windows we have, click on this and you can see there are many tools, password attack, informal gathering and many tools. Then we will discuss these tools in the next video. And you can see here terminal emulator. This is the terminal we have the same here, and this is the file manager I have done here. And this is a text editor as we have in Windows Notepad, and it is a web browser as in Windows we have Mozilla and Microsoft Edge, or we can say it is like a Chrome browser. And it is Kali Linux. If you click on this, then you will be directed to the Kali Linux official website. There is some documents of Kali Linux, official documents, you can read down, and Kali books, and these are some from this there are some softwares by which you can exploit database or hack something. I will tell you about these things in the next video. Or you can see these are only the basics, and here you can see that it is desktop. If you want to change the wallpaper, then you click on right click and click on desktop settings, and here you can see a pop-up icon shows a desktop, and there are some wallpapers. You can change the wallpaper according to your theme. So I like this one, so I have applied this. You can close here and let's move to the installation of Kali Linux. So guys, here I will tell you how to set up your Kali Linux after first installation. So here you can see this is desktop. So first of all we have to update and upgrade our Kali Linux, as we have downloaded the 2021.1, but after that time new updates and upgrades have come. So first of all you have to connect your network, as I have wired connection, so my network is connected. If you are having any problem regarding this, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will tell you the solution in the comment section. So guys, open the terminal as I have opened, and you can see the terminal is open, and press Ctrl plus Shift and double plus, and here you can see a zoom effect, and you have to write here ping to check that our network connection is stable or not. You have to write ping, and you have to write a name of website, any website, as I'm typing google.com, and press enter. If these types of data come, then you can understand that the network connection is stable. But if there is an error, if you are not having a stable connection, then you can see that no data will come here. So as all data is coming, press Ctrl plus Z, as I have suspended this ping google.com, as I know that my network connection is stable. Right clear, and now you have to update your Kali Linux, as it is the old version. So you must have a 2 GB data for updating this, at least 2 GB, because it is a great update, lot update. So you have to write apt get update. So you have to write apt, then you have to write dash and get without any gap, and then you have to give a space, then you have to write update update and then press enter. So you can see I am having some problem here that I cannot update. So this problem occurs every time, so you have to write sudo. As you are not the user, you are a guest user, so you have to be a administrator, so you have to write sudo su. Then it is asked for Kali password, then your password is KALI, Kali, as it will not show the password because for security reasons. Now you can see root @Kali. Before we are getting Kali at Kali K Kali, now we are getting root @Kali because we are on now root. Now we are root. You have listened the root word as root is the administrator power. So now you have to write the same command we have written here, apt get update. So I will give this command in the description, you can copy and paste there. So you have to write apt get update. So here you can see the update is going and it is connecting to the website and downloading some package. At least it will take 1 hour or not that time, but it will complete. So let me fast forward this video. Here it has completed update and you can see all the things I have updated and last reading packaging list done, and you can see all this take so much time. It will take about 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, so you should wait. Don't do this in a hurry, you should have time to do this. And now as you have get updated, now you have to upgrade this package. So you have to write clear, as we can clear all this trash. Now you have to write apt bracket not bracket slash get upgrade. Before we have write update, now you have to write upgrade, RADE. Now click on enter. Now this will also take some time, but as now it is asking about do you want to continue or not, because it is of 52.5 MB only. So I will writing capital Y for yes, as I have to upgrade, and press enter. Now it will take only not that much time as in update, but it will take some time to update. So let it take its time. So guys, it was taking a lot of time to update, so I have discontinued the upgrade by pressing Ctrl+Z. You can continue the upgrade till it shows that the update has completed like this. When we have updated, it has taken a lot of time, so you can do one thing. You can press Ctrl+Z if you don't want to. It will take almost 2 to 4 hours to upgrade, because it is not taking your net. It is only upgrading the packages which we have downloaded in the update. So you can clear all the things and then you can update the Kali Linux. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, then you can click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates.